All right, let's try another simplifying problem. Then we're going to make things much more challenging. Eight minus 2x over x squared minus 16. I need to factor this stuff so I can look for common factors that will cancel. What do you guys say? What do you think? So obviously I'm teaching to a class that's empty. Now, you could factor out the common factor of 2, but we also want to make sure we understand that this is a backwards order for me. This is not in descending order. I kind of expect this to be written x first and the constant at the end, right? So how do I rewrite that? That's negative 2x plus 8. Is it necessary that I do that? Not necessarily, but it does make things easier. Now, what's the common factor in the numerator? You said 2 before, but look how you lead off with a negative, so let's factor out the negative along with that. If I factor out negative 2, what do I have?
X minus 4.
It's going to be x minus 4. We've got to be very careful about the signs here. And in that denominator, x squared minus 16 is what? It's the difference of squares, x plus 4 and x minus 4. So, what happens here? X minus 4's reduce. And I have negative 2 over x plus 4. What do you guys think about that one? I see it, you're just waiting for it to get horrible, aren't you?
Yeah, because it always does.
Because it always does. It always gets, you know what, fine.
Report it.
Yeah. Now remember, I do this because I love. In my own way. I hope I made the fraction large enough. Ha ha ha. All right. Let's see what you guys can do with this problem. What is the first thing that we always try to do when we're factoring? Look for a common factor. Do I have anything like that here? All right, so what can I do in that numerator? I can take out 5x and I'll be left with what? X squared minus minus 25y squared. All right, what can I do in the denominator? There's a common factor of just x. And I'm left with what if I take out that x from everybody? X squared minus 7xy plus what? Plus 10y squared. All right. Am I done here? Of course not. That'd be too easy. So 5x, how can you factor x squared minus 25y squared? X plus 5y times x minus 5y. All over, there's my common factor of x. How do I factor x squared minus 7xy plus 10y squared? Ooh, no. x minus 2y and x minus 5y. What can I do now? What reduces here?
X minus 5y.
X minus 5y reduces, right? But that's not all. But wait, there's more. Understand that this is all multiplication out here, right? So when I look at this, I see that I have a factor of x over another factor of x. See, these x's are written as factors because they're part of the multiplication. These x's are not because you have addition and subtraction with them, not multiplication. So what's going to happen with these two x's here? These guys reduce. So what's left in my numerator? 5 times x plus 5y over x minus 2y. Notice that in the numerator I need parentheses because this is multiplication with another term, the 5. In the denominator it's just that factor x minus 2y. So I can leave it just like that and be done. Do you guys have any questions about that?